Recording. This is just a single box random division. Just simple, something simple and fun. Because I'm sort of tired today, so I didn't want to do anything crazy. Alright, these are our divisions. NFC West for Blaine, NFC East for Ron, Shotgun, NFC North, Positive Images, AFC South, Reed Roofer, AFC East, Lemmy, AFC West, No Crybabies, NFC South, and GTG, AFC North. Those are our divisions. Let me pull up my picture so I can call out everything as we go. Single box. Good luck. We'll run this baseball mini right after this. We're down to 5 spots in the baseball. If you want full spots, let me know. If you buy 2, you get $5 off. What a great deal. What's up, Mr. Doug? Oh, well, we got 08 Limited and 2016 Limited. A couple nice packs there. What's going on, Mr. Doug? Alright. Think there's a Matty Ice in here, maybe? I don't know. That's just a dummy card. Base, legend to $4.99. Jim Otto for the Raiders. Base. Of the Raiders, AFC West. First ones on the board. Well, we got the RPA. How about that? We got the RPA pack. That's good. Base. Going this way. Rookie RPA to $2.99. On-card autograph, Christian Hackenberg. Two color patch. Numbered 102 of $2.99. The Jets. Jets. AFC East. AFC East is Reed Roofer. AFC East is Reed Roofer. All right, 2 hits. Playoff ticket for the Bungles, Jeremy Hill, numbered to 99. Contenders playoff ticket. AFC North for the Bungles, GTGD, Mr. Gary. Gary on the board. And the last hit, 1 of 10, 3-color patch, Walter Payton for the Bears. 1 of 10, 3-color patch, Walter Payton for the Bears. The Bears are an FC North shotgun. Yeah, I love the patch. I love the patch relics of his out of that stuff. That's shotgun, so you have to ask him, Lemmy.
Living with ammonia odor, not a benefactor. Luckily, Tidy Cat's lightweight with new ammonia blocker tackles tough odor, even ammonia. Ammonia like that?
Alright, let me check payments and get the mini stuff typed in. And we will run that mini. Stop the video.